Hello and welcome to Summerville Apartments here in Hout Bay. I'm here with AWPower, who have achieved the holy grail of solar power. The client came to them with three particular requests. The first one was, like all of us in South Africa, the electricity prices are killing us. They wanted to save as much of the electricity bill as possible. The second was they wanted to have power security. They didn't think it was achievable, but they wanted to make sure that load shedding and Eskom's power interruptions never affected them again. And the third, even more difficult goal was that they wanted surplus power to be fed to the grid. So this complex is not a solar heaven business case. The roofs are particularly steep. The roofs are particularly small with lots of hip joints all over the place. And there's virtually no spare space to install any inverters and batteries. But AWPower achieved the holy grail of solar here, a solar trifecta. Firstly, in the summer months, they've achieved 100% solar savings with both daytime solar power and nighttime solar power, with the entire complex being carried right through the night with their stored daytime solar power. The second was, even during stage 6 load shedding, they have not experienced load shedding a single second since they implemented the system. And the third is, they have done nearly the impossible. Even though it's now autumn in Cape Town, this complex is still busy exporting power during the day to supplement the solar shortfall that they're going to have in winter. So a huge congratulations to AWPower for a technical marvel. They even had to convert the garbage storage site into a solar shed, as there is no space here. So huge congratulations and a whopping high five to AWPower, who've achieved the holy grail of solar in a very, very difficult case. So let's go, Fox!